Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about inverse square law and oil spot photometer. Inverse square law is one of the most important laws of the whole universe. Inverse square law was firstly proposed by Sir Isaac Newton. In that law, he said that force is inversely proportional to the distance squared, which is the distance between two. We can use that inverse square law for light sources as well. In that, we say that the power intensity of a light object, light source, the power intensity decreases over as we keep going further and further away. So we have an experiment to prove that as well. So that is called the oil spot photometer. To make the oil spot photometer, you need a paper and a bit of oil. So you can see that I have made a spot in the paper using oil. You can see that. Okay, so in this experiment we need two sources, two light objects. I have a small charged light and a lamp, and I have my photometer as well, and I need a scale too. So using inverse square law, we can say that there should be a point where the solar brightnesses of these two objects will cancel out each other, because the power from this object and the power from this object will cancel out at a certain point. So using my photometer, I can show that. So as I put this photometer close to this object, you can see that it's a white circle, and as I bring this nearer to this object, you can see it's a dark object. It's a dark spot. But there should be a point in middle where this spot completely disappears. Can you see where it disappears? Can you see where it disappears? Does that disappear over here? Okay, so I think this is the point where the spot disappears. So using my photometer, I have found a point over here at which the brightnesses of these two objects cancel out each other. So I can, using fancy math, I can find out that I can compare the brightnesses of these two objects, but I'm not going to show that hefty mathematics. So if I know the power intensity of this object and if I know the power intensity of this object, then I can compare the intensities of that. I can calculate the intensities of that at this point as well, and how they cancel out each other at that point. So that's it for all. That's it, I guess. Thank you, everyone.